Hello, beautiful minds. I'm Melodie Wolter, and this is Melodie's Mindcast, a Melodie's Network production. Take a deep breath with me. Inhale and exhale. Today's episode is called You're Not Broken, You're Rebooting. Because sometimes when everything around you feels like it's falling apart, what's really happening is that life is clearing space for an entirely new version of you to come online. So let's be real. Sometimes life just glitches. You lose your rhythm, your confidence, your sense of direction. And in those moments, it's so easy to believe you're failing. But you're not failing. You're rebooting. When your heart breaks, when your plans fall through, when your body or your mind says, I can't do this anymore, it's not the end of your story. It's your system saying, hey, we need an update. You're being asked to upgrade, not to give up. So, here's something I love from neuroscience. When you feel like you're hitting rock bottom, just can't take anymore, your brain becomes more plastic. That means it's open to more change, more ready to rewire, and more capable of becoming someone new. So, those moments when you feel like nothing makes sense, that's your mind opening a portal to rewrite your story. The old patterns, gone. The new code, loading. So, I've been there. Those nights where you lie awake and you ask the sky, why me? But the real question is, why not me? Who better to show the world what grace under pressure looks like than someone who's lived it, walked it, rocked it? You're not behind, my friend. You're just being refined. You're shedding the outdated version of yourself to make space for that upgrade one. And let's talk about momentum. Because you don't rebuild your life overnight. You rebuild it one micro moment at a time. One sip of water, one walk outside, and one honest yes. One brave no. That's how you rewire your brain for hope. Not through grand gestures, but through tiny, powerful signals that whisper, I'm still here. I'm trying. I believe. Every small step is a spark in your comeback frequency. So let's take a moment for a quick activation. I just love these. Close your eyes if you can and take a deep breath in and let it go. Now, imagine your entire body lighting up like a constellation. Each challenge you've faced becoming a star of wisdom. Each heartbreak a point of light. See those stars connect, forming a new pattern, a new you, whole, electric, alive. And repeat after me quietly or out loud if it feels right. I am strong. I am rebooting. Every setback was sacred preparation. I am downloading strength, courage, clarity. And my next chapter begins now. So, if this episode spoke to your heart, share it with someone who might need a reminder today, because healing doesn't happen alone. It happens in connection. And if you would like a personalized mindset activation crafted just for you, visit melodiesnetwork.com or email melody@melodiesnetwork.com. I'll create a private, unlisted video encoded with your name, your energy, your focus. Because all it takes is one spark of belief, consistency, to turn your whole story around. All right, friends. I'm Melodie Wolter, and this has been a beautiful time with you. Melodie's Mindcast. And just remember to be kind to your mind. Take care.